QStools is a powerful set of tools designed to help engineers and quantity surveyors save time and avoid errors when working with AutoCAD drawings and Excel spreadsheets. With QStools, you can quickly and easily export data from AutoCAD to Excel, find the position of calculated objects on AutoCAD drawings directly from Excel spreadsheets, and take off quantities from PDF files. QStools is particularly useful for takeoff structure works, finishing works, and MEP. It can export and count blocks, attributes objects, text and text objects, dimensions objects, and point coordinates. QStools also provides a friendly interface that is easy to use, and the accuracy is very high because the data is automatically obtained from the drawing. It can even record the location of drawings and calculation objects for verification, saving time and reducing stress and eye strain due to manual input. Overall, QStools is a valuable tool that can help engineers and quantity surveyors work more efficiently and accurately, and I highly recommend it to anyone who works with AutoCAD and Excel. The minimum investment cost you pay, the ultimate experiences you have.